Hi guys, so today I'm here with a home decor related video after a super long time. This is my living room's balcony. However, it's been a really long time that I've not done up my jhula, my swing, and this was I think last year at Christmas that I did this setup, and it's all shabby. The red polka dot cover that you see is also not looking nice. It's all come out, so I'm gonna redo this space and I'll share a few tips with you guys as to how to make it more comfortable and looking very cozy. So let's start. Here is all the new stuff, basically new as in for today. It's all purana stuff, all reusing old stuff, and I'm gonna do this jhula and show you guys. So my dear friends, this is actually a table cover that I have placed on this mattress which is inside. Now I am not using these dining table covers anymore ever since we got a new dining table. That's a marble top, so we are not using these table covers. One tip I will share is that of course the reuse of table covers for anything, like pretty much you can use it on your bed, you can use it on your swings, you can use it anywhere. You can even get them converted into covers for single quilts, or you can get pillow covers, or you can get cushions made out of it. So many different uses. But another tip is that you can totally use it as a cover for your swing. One maintenance tip that I would like to share here is that once you have placed your various cushions and these kind of fabrics in the balcony or outdoors, just try and change them frequently, at least within 15 days or so, because the more you place them outside and you ignore them, they will wear off really quickly and they'll completely fade away. So try and maintain them by changing them every 15 days. That way they'll be washed, they'll be ironed, they'll be taken care of, and you can preserve them for a longer period of time. Now I'll place all the cushions and the pillows and make it nice. And I've placed this big pillow that I had. This is like a really huge pillow. It was on my son's bed and he doesn't need it anymore. So I thought what better way to place it here, because the swing is pretty deep and when you sit you sort of need a cushion at your back. So this pillow will be perfect. Then I placed these two slightly bigger cushions. These are 20 by 20 and I had these cushion covers stitched out of some fabric that I had, so I just placed these. Now to add some more color, I am gonna place these really cute pillows. These are also cushions and I love these covers. I got these from Decor exhibition which happens in Delhi as what I know. So I'm going to place on both the sides and this swing will be ready, and then we'll come on to this side, clean it up. It's looking really nice and bright and vibrant. And जो छोटे वाले cushions थे, these ones like the 16 by 16, इनको मैंने पीछे रख दिया behind the yellow one, so that we have more space here to sit and we have something behind the head as a headrest or head cushion. This is an extra cushion that I have just placed it for show, but when you will sit you can totally remove it, but otherwise it's so cushiony and so comforting कि आप इन सब चीज़ों के ऊपर आराम से बैठ सकते हैं and you can just enjoy your time. And then what I also did is that I shifted this particular plant stand from this side to this side. So basically I swapped my chairs with this plant stand and now that's independent, and we have an independent seating corner here which was earlier here in the center. So it's just like it's more open up now. And I also placed some fresh cushions and I did some table arrangement, and I also placed a kettle and 2 cups so that I can show you guys that there is enough space for 2 people to sit and have their tea or coffee and just spend their time. Little candle. Okay, अब मैं अगर चाहती तो मैं बहुत फैंसी चीज़ें भी यहाँ पे प्लेस कर सकती थी एंड इसको बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटिफाई कर सकती थी, बट आई हैव नॉट डन दिस just for the sake of this video. I have done it as a very practical thing because this is gonna stay as it is. ये सब चीज़ें ऐसे ही रहेंगी. I'm not going to remove anything after the video. And the only tip that I will again share with you is to just replace everything after every 15 to 20 days so that everything is washed and maintained and it stays as it is for a longer period of time. This is the other side where I have some plants, and I have done lots of videos of my balconies, various balconies and their styling and decor on my YouTube channel. तो आप ज़रूर देखिएगा. I'll try and attach some links here in the stories. So do watch them and let me know in the comments how did you like this new setup.